Can you guess which AI tools brought me to life? That's not all. Wait till you see the next ones. Let's go.
Emeka, food is ready.
Yes, Mama, I'm coming.
Do you want to make a video like this?
Have you prepared my food?
Yes, my husband. Let's go to the dining table.
Hello, my people. Welcome to this channel.
Just one AI tools made all those videos. Ella will show you how to use this powerful AI tools. She will also show you other good free AI tools that can help you generate varied AI videos for you.
I use Grok AI to generate those videos that you guys just watched. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use it. And I'll also show you other free AI tools that you can use to generate good videos. And we'll be comparing them with Grok AI. To have access to Grok AI, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store and install Grok AI. This is Grok interface. Once you're on Grok, what you need to do is to click on Imagine up here. Click on Type to Imagine. Then you'll be adding your prompt. Alright, so by now you must have generated your prompt that you will use for your image. So this is my prompt. This is what I want Grok to generate for me. Alright, I'll be reading out my prompt for you guys to see what I asked Grok to generate. And one thing I like about Grok is that Grok is very fast. Grok doesn't waste time in generating your images for you. So look at the prompt that I used. I told Grok to generate a handsome elderly Igbo man wearing a white attire with a white traditional cap with gold accessories, sitting in his classy living room. This is what I told Grok to generate for me, and Grok gave me these beautiful realistic images. These images are so fine, different. And one thing I like about Grok is that it generates as much images as you want. Even if you want 20 images, Grok will do it for you. All right, and again, Grok doesn't generate images in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Grok only generates in 19:6. Yes, 19:6 aspect ratio, right? So this is the image that Grok generates using my prompt. And again, if you don't know how to navigate using prompts or all those, you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you generate a good prompt that will work best for you. All right, just tell ChatGPT what kind of image you want Grok to do for you. Then ChatGPT will do a prompt, generate a prompt for you. All right, so we'll be selecting one of these images. Just choose one of these images again, and then ask put your prompt. Yes, because you put in your prompt. If you want to make your video, assuming you want your videos to say hello guys or hello everyone, welcome to my channel, you will be needing a prompt for that. All right, so we'll be picking this picture up here, this first one, because I like it somehow. Okay, this picture is so fine. Grok makes more beautiful pictures. Okay, so this is the picture that we are going to be using. For you to save, you click on this image here, on this sign. Then if you want to make your video, all right, then you'll be clicking on make a video, like make video. So we'll be making video. This is our image that we're using. Okay, so we'll be making a video with this particular image. I'll click on make video. All right, so and I will add in my prompt to custom prompt. I'll add in the prompt that I want. Assuming now I want this image to say hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is what I should be doing. Welcome, hello, hello everyone. Let me just add hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is my prompt I'll be using. Okay, you can make your prompt more longer. All right, but Grok doesn't generate a longer videos. All right, I think the maximum you can generate with Grok is about 6 seconds, yes, or there about 6 seconds. Okay, but you can actually redo it. You add more of prompt and it will generate for you. This is our video generating.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel.
I feel like I like this. The Grok made this image to smile. Grok made this image to smile and even added a waving hand like hello everyone. And remember, I didn't even ask Grok to do it. All right, and Grok added it. All right, so you can actually detail your prompt, how you like Grok to make your video. If you want your video to smile or move around or just kind of a thing, you can generate your prompt, detail your prompt, and Grok will do it for you. So this is the video that we generated from Grok. We're going to another free AI tools to compare this video. Another AI tool that we're using is Binge. Binge is a Microsoft app. All right, so we're using it to compare the one with Grok AI. To get Binge, kindly go over to your Play Store to install Binge. You don't have to pay anything. Binge is free. All right, you can have access to Binge. You don't have to pay for anything for you to um access Binge. All right, as at the time I'm making this video, Binge is totally free. You can generate as much videos as you want. And you know the best part? The best part is that Binge generates picture using 16:9 aspect ratio. For you to generate your image using Binge, look at here, you will see image creator, create stunning AI images. You are going to tap on it. Okay, so we'll be using the same prompt. I've already generated it using the same prompt. I'll be showing you how I was able to do it. All right, so we'll wait for it. And Binge is fast. Binge is always fast, very very fast. Okay guys, using the same prompt, this is what I told Binge, and look at what Binge generated for me. So if I remember, I told Grok to generate a handsome elderly Igbo man wearing a white attire with white traditional cap with gold accessories sitting in his classy living room. I told Binge exactly this thing using the same exactly prompt that I used. Okay, look at what Binge generates for me. And again, if you want to generate 16:9 aspect ratio, this is how you will be doing it. You go to this sign here. Once you click on it, you will see this sign. All right, you will see 1.1, 3.2, 2.3. All right, so for you to use that aspect ratio, 3.2 is actually 6.9 in Binge. All right, and the 1.1 is 9.16 aspect ratio, like the longer frame of image. But if you want the YouTube aspect, is 3.2 that you are going to be using. Okay, and the image quantity, right, you can generate as much. Tell Binge the how many images that you want Binge to generate for you. This is the image. Let's see the image, guys. Binge is very fast too. Binge is very very fast. Okay, look at the image. Look at the image. I think this looks more like Igbo attire. The other one was showing like a kind of Yoruba attire. If you are Igbo or if you are a Nigerian person, you know what I'm saying. Because this the kind of bread accessories is more like Igbo attire. All right, so look at, I think this looks like more Igbo attire, and actually choose this particular picture to generate my video. Yeah, this is the one I liked most. And so for you to make this image talk, you have to save your file. Yeah, we're going to Grok to show you how I use this image from Binge, then to Grok to make my video. Here we'll be importing our image that we generated from Binge to Grok to turn our image to video. All right, you click on see all to put your image that you have saved from Binge. All right, so your image will show here in your photo. This is the image that I generated from Binge. This is the image that I generated. Okay, so I will be making it video with here on Grok. All right, so immediately you click on it, it will be generating a default video for you. Grok will just help you generate a video, just a normal video, but you'll be inputting your prompt. All right, so we'll wait for this to load. Okay, this is just the image that Grok will automatically generate as a video for you. Right here they say type to customize video. This is where you will put your prompt. All right, but you remember in my video I just said guess which AI tools made me, yes, brought me back to life. So that's what I said. I'll just type hello everyone, welcome to my channel. All right, just to make it so fast. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is what I'll be telling Grok to help me turn into video. All right, so here my video will be generating. I just wanted to use hello everyone, welcome to my channel for it to be faster, for this tutorial to be faster, not to make it longer. All right, so but you know I will show you other videos and other images that I generated from a Binge that I came here to generate as a video. All right, so
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
all right, this is it. This is the video. This video is so okay, you can customize your video the way you want it. All right, I just want this to be very quick. So this is our video, and we'll be going back to Grok. Sorry, I'll be going back to Binge to show you the images that I generated. Then I will be showing you the prompt that I use for the video. I'm in my page right away. Look at this particular image that I generated from Binge. All right, so this is my image and this is my prompt that I used. I told Binge to create a realistic image of a brown-skinned Nigerian young lady wearing a white garment with a ponytail hair, sitting on a white couch in a classy living room. So note, this prompt that I use is just with my head. I didn't get it from ChatGPT, but if you want a good one, you can go to ChatGPT. All right, so this is the images that Binge created for me using my prompt. So these are the images. These are the images. A brown skinned lady. So this and this, but I do not like these ones, so I have to choose the first one, which is this, to create my video. This again is another picture that I generated using Binge. An Igbo woman tying a wrapper, setting food on the dining table, and the Binge gave me these images. So look at this particular one here. Look at what Binge created for me. All right, so look at the ones, but I choose this particular one. If you can remember, I choose I choose this particular one. If you can remember the first one. Okay, so this is what I choose. You get. So I'll be going back to my group to show you the videos that I generated using this particular image. I'm in my group now. These are the images that I turned into video using Grok. If you can remember all these images here. See, okay, like this particular one woman here.
Emeka, food is ready.
You see. So I'll be showing you another one again.
Yes, Mama, I'm coming.
You see, I'll be showing you another one again.
It's truly a pleasure to share this moment with you all today. Thank you for joining me. It's true.
Okay, I created this one. I didn't use it.
Have you prepared my food?
Yes, my husband. Let's go to the dining table.
You see again. So these
Have
are
you
the.
prepared my
So I created a lot of video.
Hello, my people. Welcome to this channel.
All these images that I use, I created them from Binge. Then I came to Grok to make it a video. All right. If you want your video to be longer, you can as well be adding your prompts, dividing it by seconds. Then you can actually get a longer video using Grok. Let's compare the both together. This is Grok and this is Binge. This is the picture I generated from Grok, and this is the image I generated from Binge. All right, so look at the both images right up here. So I feel like Binge gives me what I want. It looks more beautiful for me, the kind of image that I want to use. That's why I generate my image from Binge, then I make videos from Grok. I make the videos from Grok. All right, and the Binge gives me that 16:9 aspect ratio for me to create my videos. I don't need to do any other thing, just to put it there and generate the kind of image that I want for my videos. But Grok only uses 9:16 aspect ratio. It doesn't generate in 16:9, so it's a lot more. I don't feel like Grok gives me exactly what I want. When you compare this picture image from Grok, looks more like a real Igbo attire than the one generated from Grok. All right, so this, I feel like Binge gives me the one I want. So I use Binge to generate my image, then to Grok to make my videos. I make my videos using Grok. All right, so Grok makes the best video for me. So you don't need to use only one AI tools in making your image and your videos. You need to compare, use the one that works best for you. All right, if you want a detailed explanation in this video, you can actually tell me in the comment section. I can make a detailed video for you. All right, have you liked this video yet? Have you subscribed to this channel? If you want to get a lot of more like this video, all right, so in this channel I help creators grow on YouTube. If you want to see more content like this, you can actually hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that you'll be notified each time I make videos like this. All right, because in my next video I'll be dropping a more video that will help you grow your channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.